Hello and welcome to Crackswood. Today in this video I'll show you how can you install custom ROMs from any custom recovery on any Android phone. So without further ado, let's get started. To install any custom ROM, you must have done two things. First, you must have unlocked the bootloader of your phone. Different phones have different methods to unlock the bootloader. And second, you must have installed custom recovery on your phone. TWRP, Pitch Black, Orange Fox, etc. are the most famous custom recoveries on today's date. I have already made some videos on unlocking bootloader and installing custom recoveries on different phones. If you want to watch them, then in the description section I have provided the link of those videos. So as you can see, this is Redmi Note 8, and today in this video I'll show you by installing latest Lineage OS 17.1 custom ROM on this Redmi Note 8, as I have already unlocked bootloader and installed custom recovery on my phone. So now I can directly flash any custom ROM from the custom recovery. So at first you have to download custom ROM for your device. You can search online or you can also search on XDA forum. This is how custom ROM looks like. Mostly it used to be in zip format. The first one is well-known Lineage OS version 17.1 for Redmi Note 8, and also remember every phone has different custom ROMs and recoveries. Like, you cannot use this custom ROM on any other device because it's specifically made for Redmi Note 8 only, and if you try to install this ROM on any other phone, then it will get bricked. The reason I chose this ROM is because this Lineage OS does not come with GApps pre-installed. We have to manually install GApps in order to use Google application facilities like Google Play Store, Gmail, etc. So you also need to download GApps. Like this Lineage OS 17.1 is based on Android 10, so I need to download Android 10 based GApps. So this second one is the compatible GApps for this Lineage OS. I have already downloaded it. I will provide the link in the description section to download GApps. Now let's install Lineage OS on Redmi Note 8. As I already have Lineage OS downloaded on my device, so I'll now reboot my phone to recovery mode. To reboot Xiaomi phone, simply long press and hold power button and volume up button together. Then phone will reboot to recovery section. Here it may ask to draw the pattern of your lock screen to decrypt data partition. I have not set any lock screen password, so it did not ask for me. So this is how Orange Fox custom recovery looks like. Here at first we have to go to wipe section and select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor and data partition. Then swipe to wipe. After that, go back to file section and select the ROM zip file that we have downloaded. This is the Lineage OS 17.1 that I have downloaded. Simply click on it and swipe right to confirm flash. This will take some time to flash ROM file. This may take around 5 to 10 minutes. And if the GApps were pre-installed inside the ROM file, then we just had to reboot our phone to the system after the flashing process completes. But in this Lineage OS, GApps are not included, so we have to flash GApps too. Now the flashing process is completed. Now we have to go back and again from the file section select the GApps that we have downloaded. Simply click on it and swipe right to confirm flash. This will also take some time to flash, so we have to wait a little bit again. Now the flashing process is complete and we can reboot our phone to system. Simply click on reboot system, then your phone will reboot to system and you will have new custom ROM installed on your device. But in some cases your phone will not reboot to system and return back to custom recovery section. Like in my case, my phone Redmi Note 8 returned back to custom recovery and all the files are encrypted too. So in this case, what you have to do is you need to format your phone, otherwise you will not be able to use any OS on your phone. So now go to wipe section and inside format data section, type yes to confirm format, then tap on enter button. It will start its formatting process, and when it's done, click on reboot system again. Now again my phone is rebooting to system, and this time there is no any error. You can see the Lineage OS boot animation too. Then you have to do simple basic boot setup. Now as you can see, finally I have installed new custom ROM on my device. This is Lineage OS 17.1 version, and you can also update to new version from Updater if any new version is available. And if you want to see full detailed review of this Lineage OS, then watch my next video, which link will be in the description section when it's published. So I hope you understand what things you should know to flash any custom ROM on any Android phone. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, comment below your problems and opinion, share this video, and also subscribe to our channel CrackSuede and hit notification bell also. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.